Working in restaurants has always been hard. But now it's even harder. Pre-Shift is here to help you navigate the unique challenges that restaurant workers face, and have always faced, that are now made even worse by the pandemic. We've spent the last several months talking to experts so we could bring you a season with practical tips, tools, and resources. We got all sorts of tips for some of the trickiest work situations, from the challenges with interpersonal communication.
Conflict is not a bad thing, first of all.
I know we don't like to brag on ourselves, but that is exactly what you're doing when you're negotiating a salary.
Feedback is so tough in the service industry because it's so fast-paced.
To advocacy and collective action.
Because it has gotten so bad, you have to speak up.
To me, privilege is having access to something that is not readily available to everyone else.
Equity is fairness. Equality is equal portions.
All the way to striking out on your own.
And what I want to encourage young entrepreneurs or freelancers or whatever is like, rules are good, they're great for structure. And what I tend to do with them, like recipes, is look at them and choose what works for me. It's really about understanding your value system and your own purpose.
Pre-Shift by Copper and Heat, coming Monday, January 25th. Subscribe now in your favorite podcast app.